What's going on, guys? Happy Thursday. I'm standing here in our pre-owned section about to take you through this 2020 Puma 32 BHIS. I don't know, I love coming over here in the used lot just because you see so many different types of floor plans, and then this one in particular has just a lot of features that you don't normally see in a typical travel trailer. So before we show you the inside, I'm going to give you that quick outside tour first. So at the front, you got your power tongue jack. So all you have to do is just press a button and it does the work for you. Dual propane tanks just behind there. And then of course your batteries. Diamond plating is running at the bottom of your front cap to just help protect it from road debris or rock, gravel, anything like that. On our camping side, we actually have some pass-through storage, so just a great space to put extra camping gear that you might not have room for, or if you want to quickly access while you are taking on a really long road trip. Front and rear power stabilizer jacks. You also have a slide out here on your camping side, and a power awning that stretches all the way across, even over your slide out, so you don't miss out on any extra shade. Two entrances into this camper, outside speakers. Your main entrance has those solid steps and the oversized grab handle for that extra stability getting in, especially if you're a clumsy person like I am. It's definitely a plus. Bracket on the outside for a TV. Of course, you have some power as well. And moving along towards the back, LP Quick Connect. You even have an outside kitchen, which is definitely on people's checklist for campers. Of course, you have your griddle, sink, drawer storage, and this does not have the mini fridge, I don't believe, so you're more than welcome to get one if you would like. Spare tire, and you are prepped for a rear observation camera. Outside shower, and that's where you can dump some of your tanks. Moving more towards the front, more dumping stations, and then access to your water heater. So now let's take a look at the inside. All right, so I wanted to start through the second entrance on the outside, which is here in the front, and kind of work our way towards the back. So as you can see, this is our master bedroom. You got your queen size bed that will lift up for some extra storage underneath. Nightstands are on both sides, and they're actually pretty longer than normal. The one on the left is just a little bit longer, so you can have more decorations and personal belongings there. Outlets on both sides, but this nightstand here on the right has a USB port, so you can pick and choose who gets which side of the bed. Both have some additional shelving and cubbies, maybe for some snacks or just an extra spot to put your things. Above each, we have our closet lockers, built-in clothes rack, and you also have the mirror panels on the door, two additional cabinets in between. And then directly across from me, you have a spot for a TV backer here in your bedroom, so you can watch some movies at the end of the night. And that is your main entrance into the bedroom, but we are going to go through this private entrance into this full bath from your master bedroom, which is pretty cool. Barn style sliding door. Got your angled foot flush toilet, plenty of room for all of your leg space that you need. And then of course your toilet paper holder. A lot of campers don't really have built-in toilet paper holders, so the fact that this has one is pretty cool. Nice sit-down shower, great for relaxing. And you even have that skylight up above, so there's just a lot of natural light coming in. And then we got our sink, soap and toothbrush holder, some power, storage down below, and then here in your medicine cabinet. And this was probably left behind by the previous owners. It might be one of those like stick-on lights, so just some extra lighting here in your bathroom. And then you have even more storage for all of your washcloths and, you know, toiletries and stuff. And then coming out to the main portion of our camper, again, we're getting to see a different floor plan, so I just absolutely love it. Next to your bathroom entrance, you have your entertainment center, storage below for your DVDs and such. Just up above is access to those outside speakers, inside speakers, radio, DVD, all that type of stuff. Mantle space for some decorations, and then your swivel TV. And then directly across, you have your sleeper sofa. So this will fold down into a sleeping space for your kids or friends. And then the middle cushion is built-in cup holders, cabinet space up above as well. A huge U-shaped dinette, and this can fit a whole family. And this also will fold down into a sleeping space. Plus, you have a storage space underneath both seats. Love the booth dinettes. And then across from there, we're getting into our kitchen space. Here is our main entrance into the camper. You also have storage as soon as you walk in. Of course, your convenience center as well. So you can use this for some pantry space, just extra storage for your living room, anything like that. Put your dog leashes in there, cleaning supplies. Then we have this island across from our booth dinette. Stainless steel sink, you got your spray nozzle. And of course, you have your storage down below. And then before I forget, the price comes out to be $29,765 for everything. And then here is our 3-burner top stove. You got this glass cover, stainless steel oven. Got your range hood, more cabinet space, stainless steel microwave, and you have even more countertop space too. So more space for food prep. You can put all of your small appliances here if you would like, coffee makers and whatnot. Drawer storage down below. A rather large stainless steel refrigerator. So I love that all of your appliances are matching. And then we have bunks in this camper too. So these are considered double over double bunks, depending on the size of your kids and your friends, I guess. You can fit 2 people per bunk. Or if you'd rather sprawl out and have the extra space, you can do 1 person per bunk. Both have outlets plus USB ports. And these are rated for 300 pounds, I believe. I'm not sure where the sticker is or if it got taken off, but full-size adults are able to sleep up here. Each one has its own privacy curtain to sleep in if they would like. And then here, you just have some extra closet space for them. And then this is also a different feature. You have another full-size bath. So this one can be dedicated to your kids or your friends, and you can keep the other one nice and clean. They can dirty this one up. So just the fact that there is a second full-size bathroom is pretty awesome. Another sit-down shower. Of course, your skylight, foot flush toilet, another paper holder or toilet paper holder, shelving space, countertop space if you need it, and then your sink, more storage, soap holder and toothbrush holder. I'm getting mixed up. Power, and then of course your medicine cabinet. So it's just a unique floor plan, but you get those 2 extra full baths and the bunks and the booth dinettes plus the outside kitchen. So this whole thing is just one big check mark. If you have any questions or concerns about this camper, feel free to let us know or leave a comment, and we are more than happy to help.